Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Vegetable slicer. Makes everything simple, just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. For salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Water filter. Water filter. 3 Brita Stream pitcher water filters that offer great tasting, healthier tap water when used in your Brita Stream filter water pitcher. Cuts out impurities. Filter removes over 90% of chlorine taste and odor, along with Class V size particulates, using dual-layer filtration with an innovative carbon form that means no black flecks. Filter as you pour. Brita Stream filters feature patented filter as you pour technology, which means no waiting at the sink when you fill your water filtration pitcher. Sustainable. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace up to 1,800 standard 16.9 single-use plastic water bottles each year. Convenient design. A filter indicator lets you know when it's time to replace your water filters with just one click. Duration. 1 filter lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons. Fits Brita Stream pitchers. Replacement water filter works in all Brita Stream pitchers. Vegetable chopper. Meets various needs. The chopper contains 7 types of blade, meet all of your slicing, chunking, and shredding needs. The set also includes an egg white separator, a hand protector, a cleaning scraper, and a cleaning brush. You can easily separate egg whites from egg yolks, and the hand protector can better prevent injuries when handling ingredients. The instructions included in the set can help you become proficient in using Meal Helper vegetable chopper. Stainless steel blades and easy to clean. Several blades of Meal Helper vegetable chopper are made of stainless steel material, which is sturdier and cuts vegetables faster. The cleaning process after using the vegetable chopper is very important as it will affect your next use. Simply clean the blades with the enclosed cleaning brush and scraper. Efficient kitchen essentials. If you use a kitchen knife to slice or shred fruits and vegetables, spoon holder. Versatility. This ceramic spoon holder measures 6.1 into 5 inches, enough to easily hold spoons, spatulas, coffee spoons, etc. The spoon holder is also very useful for organizing your accessories, watches, and other delicate small items. Unique look. The reactive glaze with swirling pattern creates an elegant look. Knife set. Set includes 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 5.5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 2.75-inch bird's beak paring knife, 4.5-inch steak knives, 6, 8-inch sharpening steel, all-purpose household shears, and wooden block superior performance. Cuisinart's classic forged triple rivet cutlery possesses superior high-carbon stainless steel blades for precision and accuracy. Total control. Durable extra-wide safety bolster for perfect stability and control. Well-built. Stainless steel rivets to secure the full-tang blade to the ergonomically designed handle. Garlic press. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a standout choice for anyone who frequently incorporates fresh garlic into their cooking. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and featuring a sleek nickel plating, this garlic press not only boasts a stylish silver finish, but is also designed for longevity and resilience. Weighing in at a comfortable 8.4 ounces, its balance is just right for effortless crushing. In terms of maintenance, the Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press excels as it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 customers. This suggests that the product consistently meets or exceeds user expectations, affirming its reliability and effectiveness. One of the key highlights of this product is its ergonomic rubber handle, which provides a secure grip. A Dash mini rice cooker. More than rice: oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Setup time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm function and indicator light. Onion holder. Smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Napkin holder for table. The napkin holder for table by Hiwafifi is a practical addition to any dining setting, beautifully merging functionality with stylish design. With its rustic yet modern aesthetic, it fits seamlessly into both casual and formal environments, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Crafted from durable iron and finished in an elegant black color, this napkin holder boasts a solid and robust construction. The dimensions of 7.1 inches in diameter and a height of 2.5 inches provide ample space for holding napkins securely without taking up excessive table real estate. At just 0.44 kilograms, 15.5 ounces, it is lightweight enough to be easily moved, yet substantial enough to stay stable, ensuring it won't tip over easily when in use. Customer feedback reflects a high satisfaction rate, with an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviewers. This highlights the reliability and appeal of the product. It ranks notably at number 2 in its category of napkin holders, indicating its popularity among consumers in the kitchen and dining sector. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in one set. Comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle.